I told you that one car changed the landscape of American and Australian automotive history forever. A car that was affordable, reliable, and powerful, yet somehow remains underrated? Meet the Ford Falcon. Let's dive into its legendary journey. Welcome to Revamp Cars, the place where we bring classic legends and modern marvels back to life today. We're taking a deep dive into the Ford Falcon, a car that started as an economy model, but went on to define muscle, performance, and innovation across generations. Buckle up. When people think of Ford's most iconic cars, names like Mustang, GT40, and F-150 often steal the spotlight. But did you know that without the Ford Falcon, some of these legends might never have existed? That's right, the Falcon was more than just another sedan. It was the foundation for an entire generation of performance vehicles. But despite its impact, it never quite got the recognition it deserved. So what made the Ford Falcon so special? Let's find out. The Ford Falcon debuted in 1960 as a response to America's growing demand for compact, fuel-efficient cars. Unlike the bulky gas guzzlers of the 50s, the Falcon was lightweight, simple, and budget-friendly. But Ford didn't stop there soon. High-performance versions like the Sprint and the Australian GTHO Phase 3 turned it into a serious performance machine. In the U.S., the Falcon became the blueprint for the first Ford Mustang in 1964. Without the Falcon's light profile in Australia, the Falcon evolved into a high-performance beast, dominating the legendary Bathurst 1000 race and becoming an Australian muscle car icon. The car even influenced later models like the Torino, Fairlane, and Maverick. Perhaps the Falcon's greatest claim to fame was its transformation in the muscle car era. The 1971 Ford Falcon GTHO Phase 3 is still regarded as one of the fastest four-door sedans of its time with a 5.8L V8 pushing over 380 horsepower. It was a rocket on wheels. But despite its innovations, Ford eventually phased out the Falcon in the U.S. In 1970, while Australia continued its production until 2016. The final Falcon XR8 paid tribute to its long legacy, closing the chapter on one of Ford's most influential nameplates. The Ford Falcon might not be the first name that comes to mind when discussing Ford's greatest hits, but its influence on the automotive world is undeniable. From shaping the Mustang to becoming a muscle car legend down under, the Falcon's legacy lives on in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. What do you think? Does the Ford Falcon deserve more recognition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you love classic cars and hidden automotive gems, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification